Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on OPPO Find X8s. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on System and Update, then click on Backup and Reset, and now click on Reset Phone, then click Erase all data and click Clear all data, then click Clear. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.